Meteorological winter's almost over. Are you ready to renovate?
Looking for ideas on how to make your home fabulous?
You will be inspired if you head to the Connecticut Home and Remodeling Show this weekend. It's taking place at the Connecticut Convention Center. And here to tell us about that, Scott.
Yeah, Liz Koiva from Nordic Builders. She's this year's show chairperson. How awesome is that?
Yes, thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's really wonderful.
And with her is Chef Sandy Squilanti of Romancing the Pan.
Yes. Love that.
She's going to be doing cooking demos because, you know, that's, the home is where the heart is, and we want to learn how to cook and just enjoy our home. So thank you, ladies, both of you, for being here. Can we start with what you're going to tell us how to make?
Sure. You know, we cook on Romancing the Pan every cuisine. So we wanted to do quick, fast, easy things for the home show, things anybody can make at home.
Okay.
We're going to do a quick Mexican bean salad.
Okay.
So let's get going with it.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it's simple. As long as you have all your prep ready, it goes very quickly. Okay, Kara, why don't you put the black beans right in there?
Now, do you
Canned black
drain your
beans?
beans?
I drain them.
Okay.
I don't rinse them because I like that thickness in the beans. I
So,
do.
but drained but not rinsed.
Okay, some red onion.
Red onion. Okay.
Okay.
So far, even if you don't have a fancy kitchen, you can do this.
Is this new to the show, the home, the cooking?
This year, we're very excited to have Galleria with us. And Sandy is going to be demonstrating and also being in our design cafe, doing several free seminars throughout the weekend.
I think this is wonderful because I've been to I go every year, and I'm like, this is just an added benefit.
This is, an added
this is the
benefit
fun
this
part
year.
of it now.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, get that corn in there,
Add the
Kara.
corn. So
Now,
basically add everything.
Kara, let me have those green and red peppers. Scott, can you cut these up for us? Now, try to make them, let me get you my knife.
Here's a knife.
Try
You want
to
them
make them
julienne?
No.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
Tiny.
Chop, tiny?
That was good. I like that. Now, Kara, I just need you to hand me that lime.
The lime, okay.
Yeah, and put some red pepper flakes in there. You're going to cut that
The
in
whole
half.
thing or just a pinch?
No, a pinch, unless you like it spicy.
Okay, just
Do
a
you guys
little.
like spice?
I love spice.
All right, well then go
Kick it
for
up a notch.
All right, here we go with some cumin, and this is dried onion flakes, which really...
Dried onion flakes,
It's
okay.
a nice flavor. There we go.
Nice.
How'd
okay.
I do over here?
Garlic powder. Oh, those are beautiful. Let's put them right in
All
there.
of the garlic powder?
Yep, go ahead.
Okay.
Lots of garlic. The more garlic, the better.
Okay.
Now, we're going to put a little olive oil in there.
Okay. This is
I'll
so
tell you
far
when to
so
stop.
easy.
It's so easy, and that's
And
what it's about.
Cut it in half this way or this way?
The
This
other
way.
one. That's it. Good?
Okay.
Now we're just going to squeeze this right in there. Now,
Oh, you need the fresh lime too. That makes it, right?
it certainly does.
So as we're doing this, why don't we take a look at some of the photos about the home show, because we have so many different
Yeah,
wonderful
we
things.
do.
I'm excited to be there. I'm going to be
you're
there
gonna
from
be there.
12 to 2
Yes.
Saturday. So if you come on down and say hello,
with a little
the
salt and
welcoming is
pepper.
just, it's like
Just a
walking
pinch of
into
that.
Wonderland, first of all.
It is. It's a great show. It's our 72nd show. We have over 400
Give it a quick
exhibits.
toss with the
400
tongs.
exhibits?
400 exhibitors.
Start up and see if it
We have
looks
everything. It's all one-stop shopping, everything under one roof.
And this is, we're looking at
is
here,
that?
a little set, a little...
Is that like a
little-
home basement, or did you? What is that? I want that room.
Yeah,
Looks like a cool family room, or like you turned it into
Yeah,
a
it's like a
little
whole audio system.
rec
Oh, look
system.
at that.
Hey, this looks
That
like...
is
Lighting.
beautiful.
Yeah, that's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Lighting selections.
You can see the latest design trends, and the best part is you can touch and feel the products versus going on the internet where you can just only see it through the computer.
And local experts, so you know
Local
where to go.
experts.
That was Connecticut Lighting. If you see something you like, they can show you if it'll work in your home.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Windows.
Oh, look at that.
Love windows.
We have roofing, siding, windows.
Oh, can I have one of those in real life size? Is that a beach home?
That's our student. That's our student design contest, which we're very excited about. Every year we have high school students who design and actually build a scale model of a home of their dream, and they're very innovative, very creative.
And lots of people just going there having a good time, and you can bring the kiddos.
And you get lots of goodies. too.
Yeah, freebies.
Each vendor has a little something nice that you want to go.
Yeah.
Most of them do anyway.
And then we can come see Sandy, and she's going to have food for us.
We are. We're going to feed everybody. We are.
All right, so all we did is add a few extra things, the olive oil and some spices, and I just tossed it while you guys were doing the
Now let
pictures.
me just finish it off real
Please.
quickly. Put a pinch of cilantro in there.
Dried cilantro's okay?
Yes, dried is good. So
Talking my
avocados. Everybody's always nervous about this. Very easy. Go right down the center, just like this. So I'm going to spread it apart with the knife.
Yeah.
Just watch that you don't cut yourself. Let's put this there. There we go.
Then
Isn't that
do we
beautiful?
put the whole thing, or are we going to
We're
score
gonna
it
take
and make
that
it to
pit
little
out.
pieces?
Let me just get that pit out. Sorry, excuse me.
No,
There we
you
go.
do it. Yeah.
Now, I want you to take this, fill them in there.
Oh, just leave it like this and then
Yeah,
scoop
just
the
fill it
beans
in
in
there,
there?
yeah.
Okay.
Isn't that
All right.
wonderful?
So we're gonna have a little avocado
You
with your
know,
bean
it's all
salad in
about
it.
design and what it looks like when it comes
You know
over
what?
to you.
I totally agree. It has to look as good as
It
it
does.
tastes to me.
It does.
And you did a beautiful job.
Thank you. Just put a little on top of the spinach over there. If you want it hotter, spice it up.
And this is so healthy and interesting.
It
You know,
is.
you could pretty much
That's it.
make a big thing of this, and that would be great to have throughout the week. to throw
Refrigerate
on.
it.
I'm going to give it a little try.
Go ahead.
Yeah, absolutely. You want to eat it from the
No, I'll eat it right from the
Good.
right from the bowl?
That's,
Okay.
that's the way we
I
do
made a
it.
beautiful
That's the way we
plate.
do it at the studio. How is it?
Oh, it's delicious.
Good. Good. Simple, quick, fast, and fresh.
That is delicious.
So
Good,
good.
good.
Thank you,
Okay.
both of you.
Yes.
The 72nd Connecticut Home and Remodeling Show gets underway tomorrow at the Connecticut Convention Center in Hartford. For hours and more information, you can head to cthomeshow.com.
And I will be there again Saturday from 12 to 2, so come on out and say hello.
Nice.
When we come back, how smartphones could be helping hackers spy on you and what you can do to protect yourself.
Important information to keep you safe just ahead. Stay with us.
Oh, so good. Delicious.